One of the areas that artificial intelligence often isn't considered is literally how to use it internally within organizations. A lot of times everyone's looking at what the external use case could be, but there are some really interesting ways that artificial intelligence can be used for employee engagement. I'll give you just a couple of examples, but artificial intelligence can actually help companies understand who are their most at-risk employees. Artificial intelligence is being used significantly now in talent acquisition to being able to provide more diverse candidates and to be able to find candidates that might be perfect for a role but weren't necessarily actively looking for a new job. Artificial intelligence can determine the greatest value that companies are getting in different divisions of their organizations and how efficient they are. That could be both for those employees working on a manufacturing floor, and they can engage those clients, those employees in a more effective way, or all the way to the knowledge workers. Where artificial intelligence is having a tremendous impact is in augmenting experts. Artificial intelligence isn't always just going to be used to accelerate a process and take the place of a human. Where we're really seeing the greatest impact is when you have AI and experts working together. That's truly accelerating the pace of businesses and bringing entirely new solutions to markets. So when you look at healthcare professionals, their knowledge and their specific understanding of what it is they're working on, when you can augment that knowledge and be able to help them be more effective, faster, more efficient, is what's really starting to drive some really exciting things. And that's happening in almost all the different industries that we're currently working in. But being able to engage your employees in a more efficient way, being able to give them tools which makes their jobs not necessarily easier, but more impactful, which is what employees are looking for, is really, really critical. And it's actually an area that Boss is doing a lot of work in. We're not just working with companies that are looking for external solutions and business use cases. We're actually working with a lot of companies to help them drive their global workforces, the value that they can bring to their global workforces in a much more effective and efficient manner. This goes back to how they leverage data regarding their employees, but it even goes down to understanding the predictive nature of what's going to happen with their businesses in the future and bringing wisdom to organizational leaders so that they can apply that and really help their employees get the most out of the organization, out of their roles, and bring the most to the company overall.